Hello guys, magmukbang na naman tayo. Ayan, meron tayo dito. At karon para makaon ang bayabas and the puras. Ang bayabas ako na siya duga sa gaayos, so pwede na natin siya kaunon ang panit. Sila kaunon. Wait. Charan! Wow! Ang bango. Do you want to eat?
How it smells.
And this one also, the puras.
Can I smell that one? It smells like vanilla.
Vanilla.
Like juice.
Then you have to eat.
I want to try this one first.
Okay.
Because I've never seen that before.
You eat all. You eat all. Go, you eat all.
Fresh only.
Eat it. Go, El. Sige, go. Yummy. Harap. Kung panita diri dapit kayo. Medyo dapat. Ah! Kuha lang pong asin. Tadang! Hala, kalamay kahumot ko. Ayo. Lamigay siya kapag guava. Wow. Pwede kalamay. Ay, what na?
I want to get that.
Ah.
But I'm scared for the audience.
Pwede ka na. Mag-rekat first. Ha, ano man? Kalamay ka siya. Asin.
Can I open the can?
No. Oh, kabalik lang kasi there.
What?
The mirror. Go.
So, I can be seen in the mirror?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Go yeah.
Oh, no.
Sarap guys, ang tamis. Masarap din sa guava. Pero masarap din to sa tuyo suka. Try nga natin. Yeah.
I have a sword.
Ano? Sarap.
Go to where you go.
Lama. Ako na siyang dugasan og asin pati. Pag nito. Baking soda. Wala naman, antioxidant yata din to kan. Pa ba?
Hi. Ayaw masuka.
Give this to Dada.
Daddy. I want to try only the flesh.
Ano mo ka Dada?
Not tasty.
Ano pa na sa?
Wait.
Ano ba Dada?
Dada.
Lami ako. Bye-bye.
I want to try the pear
Okay.
without any skin.
Yes.
I don't love skin.
I'm gonna eat it.
I hate skin.
Bigyan mo asin si Dada. This one lang. Ang dami. So, para healthy, okay? You have to eat.
Tasty.
Yeah, I told you. Dapat malamig din to. Ang sarap nito. Malamig.
It tastes a little bit good. I have a cough, guys, so don't. So if you guys hear me when my voice is weird, if I look weird, it's because I'm sick. Because of my friends.
Yeah, very good. Wow, this is for you na.
No, thank you. I only want one.
Yung guys, mga prutas na talaga ang ginaano ko sa kanya. Pang snack, pang ano, pero healthy ba?
And then I can practice my vegetarian. I don't want any more.
You have to eat it. That's the
I want to
challenge.
try
Okay.
with salt. Oh, too much salt.
Just more. I want.
It tastes good with the salt. I just found my new addictive.
Sarap. Love it.
I don't want any more because I'm. Oh no!
So, konti na nga lang guys. Nahulog pa. Kunito na to eh. Sarap.
I love it.
Anong pata, Steven? Yung palabis, ang apat na.
Last one. Sarap din to suka tuyo. Nag-healthy living pero may junk food sa tabi. Sana all. May junk foods pala. At least mga beans to. Corn, peanuts, everything. Guys, babay na. Naantok na ako. Napagod. Tapos yung klase ko. Thank you, Lord. Sorry, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Mm. Bye. Bye, everyone.